Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you will fine, and I welcome you to the science class for class 5th. And today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 7, rocks and minerals. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so rocks are present everywhere. They are present above earth, they are present below earth, they are present under sea, okay, in the sea, and these rocks are made up of minerals. Okay, and what are the minerals? Minerals are the naturally occurring substance, okay, which are present in rock. Okay, then rocks may contain one or more minerals. Okay, it is not like that. Suppose this is the rock, so it will have only one type of minerals. Okay, it may have different type of minerals. Okay, yes. So rocks may contain one or more minerals. Okay, then again, the types of rock. So rocks can be classified, rocks can be categorized. We can categorize rocks depending upon how they are formed. Okay, how the way they are formed. Okay, वो कैसे बने हैं उसके बेस पे हम उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, उसके टाइप्स को. किसके टाइप्स को? रॉक्स के टाइप्स को. ओके, यस. सो रॉक्स के कितने क्या क्या टाइप हैं? फर्स्ट है इग्नियस रॉक्स, सेकेंड है सेडिमेंट्री रॉक, एंड देन थर्ड इज metamorphic rock. Okay, yes. So we will study one by one in detail all these three type of rocks. So first is igneous rock. Okay, so we know that our earth is made up of three layer. Okay, our earth has three layer. That is, the first is crust, the upper layer is the crust, then the middle layer, that is a mantle, and the inner layer, that is the core. Then this again core is divided into two parts, that is outer core and inner core. Okay, so collectively we can say that the core. Okay, so crust, mantle and core. Okay, yes. So the inner core. Okay, so there is a molten rocks inside the earth called magma. Okay, in the inner core. Okay, here this area, the inner core of earth is filled with magma. What are magma? Magma are molten rocks. Okay, जो मेल्ट हुआ रॉक है. ओके, यस. रॉक जो है वो मेल्ट हुआ है, वो कहाँ पे होता है? जो अर्थ के जो सबसे नीचे वाली लेयर है, इनसाइड अर्थ की लेयर है, वहाँ पे रहता है. ओके, व्हेन इट फ्लो आउट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ, जब ये कहीं से जिसको जगह मिल जाता है तो ये क्या होता है कि अंदर से बाहर आने लगता है ऐसे. ठीक है, जैसे कि ये माउंटेन. ठीक है, यहाँ से यू कैन सी दिस इज द volcano. Okay, eruption of volcano. Okay, so here molten magma is coming out of from the earth. Okay, yes. So this, when it flow out on the earth surface, is called lava. Okay, so जब ये अर्थ के अंदर होता है तो इसको हम लोग मोल्टेन जो रॉक होता है, जब ये अर्थ के अंदर होता है तो उसको बोलते हैं मैग्मा. ओके, बट ये जब अर्थ के बाहर आता है इरप्ट होके, ओके, ओके, सो इसको बोलते हैं लावा. ओके, यस. एंड इसी लावा, जब ये लावा जो है मोल्टेन रॉक से जब ये सॉलिड हो जाता है, ये ठंडा होकर सॉलिडिफाइड हो जाता है, तभी इसका रॉक्स का फॉर्मेशन होता है और इसको बोलते हैं इग्नियस रॉक्स. इग्नियस रॉक्स आर फॉर्म बाय द कूलिंग ऑफ लावा एवब और जस्ट अंडर द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. तो हो सकता है कि ये पूरा का पूरा लावा बाहर आ जाए, हो सकता है ये अर्थ के अंदर ही कहीं रह जाए वो जो मैग्मा है. ठीक है, तो अगर अर्थ के अंदर रह जाए या ऊपर आके ही उसको सॉलिडिफाई हो जाए तो उसको हम लोग कहेंगे इग्नियस रॉक. ओके, यस. सो ऑलमोस्ट 90% ऑफ अर्थ क्रस्ट में जो ऊपर का लेयर है. ओके, हम लोग देखते हैं ना बहुत सारे माउंटेन्स रहते हैं. ओके, देन हिल्स रहती हैं. ओके, सो ऑल दीज आर व्हाट दे आर द रॉक्स. ओके, yes. So 90% of earth's crust is made up of igneous rock. Okay, then this again, the igneous rock is can be categorized into four group, that is granite, that is obsidian, then pumice and basalt rock, pumice rock, granite rock and obsidian rock. Okay, yes, we are going to study these four type of rock in next slide. So what are granite rock? Okay, so granite rock are formed by slow cooling of lava. Okay, slow cooling of lava. Okay, so they when the lava okay, when the volcano erupt, when a volcano erupt, and the lava which is coming out, when it's slow for a long time, then it form a granite. Okay, yes, it contains minerals like feldspar, quartz and mica. Okay, so these are the type of minerals which are present in granite. Okay, yes, and depending upon the minerals present in it, its color can be pink or gray or black. So you can see here little brownish and pinkish color, then here you can see white and black color. Okay, gray and black. Okay, yes. So where they are used, they are very they are used in building materials, they are used in making statue. Okay, someone's statue. Okay, then they are used in kitchen platform, kitchen counter, and they are used sometime making floor. Okay, yes, like this. Okay, yes. Then next is obsidian rock. So these obsidian rocks are formed by quick cooling of lava. So that the previous one was slow cooling of lava, and obsidian rocks are formed by the quick cooling of lava. Okay, yes, they are smooth, they are glossy, and they are sharp edge. They have sharp edge. What it means? They are smooth means if you touch it, it will be very smooth. ये काफ़ी चिकना होता है, काफ़ी प्लेन, काफ़ी स्मूथ होगा. ठीक है, yes. Okay, and what you mean by glossy? Glossy, it means it has a shining appearance. Okay, if you look if you look this rock or obsidian rock, so it is a shining appearance. Okay, ये काफ़ी चमकी shine करता है. ठीक है, yes, and it has a sharp edge. Okay, so it has a sharp edge means काफ़ी इसकी धारदार नुकीली edge होती है. ठीक है, yes. Then it is usually black or dark color. Okay, and it is used in jewelry and other tools. Okay, so you can this kind of rocks. Okay, the dark brown, dark violet, these, and dark black, these rocks are used to make rings and other ornaments. Okay, and some other tools. Okay, yes. So pumice, it is the next type of igneous rock. So it is formed by quick cooling of lava forth. Okay, so it is formed by quick cooling of lava forth. Okay, then it has a porous means it has some holes inside it. Okay, full of holes, and that is why it has some space, and it is very light means it has a less weight. इसका weight जो होता है कम होता है comparatively. Okay, and it can float. This is the only rock that can float. Okay, अगर इसको हम लोग पानी में डालते हैं तो ये डूबेगा नहीं, ये फ्लोट करेगा. ओके, सो इसमें कुछ मैजिक नहीं है. The reason behind it, it has a pores inside it. Okay, yes. So if you have you might have seen some this type of rocks around you sometime. Okay, yes, and this type of rocks are used for body scrubber. Okay, they are used for floor polishing. Okay, yes, means they ये जो रॉक होता है इसका ऐसे फ्लोर पॉलिश करने के लिए ऐसे बनाए जाते हैं, इसको कट करके, और इसी से फ्लोर को पॉलिश किया जाता है. ठीक है, यस, एंड इट इज़ लाइट वेट, दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स. ओके, यस. So if the question will be asked that which rock can float, or which rock has a porous, which rock has holes inside it, so your answer should be pumice. Okay, yes. The next is basalt rock. So the basalt rock are quick cooling of lava. Okay, on the surface of earth. Okay, not below the surface, it is on the surface of earth. Okay, they are very dense. Okay, there is no hole inside it. Okay, they are very compact. Okay, yes, and they are dark in color. Okay, yes, and they are used in construction of roads. Okay, and the stone which are dropped on the railway track, those are also the basalt rock. Okay, yes. So these were the four type of rocks of igneous rock. Okay, that is the basalt, then the pumice, then obsidian and the granite. Okay, so granite is a slow process, then obsidian is quick, and then pumice is also quick, and basalt is also quick. Okay, so the only granite is slow cooling. Only granite is slow cooling. Other threes are basalt, then obsidian and pumice. These are quick cooling of basalt magma. Okay, or lava. Okay, yes. So that's all for today. Here you have some question. Try to answer them. Name an igneous rock that can float. Okay, so name the float. देन विच रॉक कैन फ्लोट. ओके, जिसमें पोर्स होता है, जिसमें होल्स होता है. ओके, यस. नेम द इग्नियस रॉक दैट इज स्मूथ, ग्लॉसी एंड शार्प एज, जो कि रिंग और ऑर्नामेंट्स बनाने के लिए यूज होता है वो. देन ऑन व्हाट बेसिस रॉक्स क्लासीफाइड, तो रॉक्स कौन से बेसिस पे क्लासीफाई हुए हैं. दिस 3 आंसर यू हैव टू आंसर. थैंक यू सो मच. कीप स्टडिंग. बाय बाय.